Vansa is finally here and is giving away $1,000 in cash. You heard right, $1,000 cash. 10 lucky winners will be randomly selected, each receiving a $100 cash prize. To qualify, be sure to download the Vansa mobile app and register today.
What's that saying? If it's too good to be true, it probably is. Whoever said that definitely didn't own an Annika chair. This is a chair that puts you first, because what you love matters too. It's a chair just for you. You worked hard for that mountain paradise. Now it's time to let it work for you. With Hosty, our property management solutions are efficient and comprehensive, using cutting-edge technologies informed and perfected by the best data, giving us more freedom to connect, heart to heart, with our property owners and guests. For all your automotive needs, visit Dalmar Motors or check us out online to browse our inventory or book your service appointment today for a safe winter season ahead.